The world of education is changing rapidly. AI is at the forefront, offering incredible tools for educators and learners. These tools personalize learning, automate tasks, and provide insights into student progress. AI is about practical solutions for today's classrooms and online courses. Imagine a course that adapts to each student's pace and style. AI algorithms analyze learning data and adjust content accordingly. This personalized approach keeps students engaged and motivated. AI automates repetitive tasks like grading, freeing educators to focus on creative teaching. By embracing AI, educators can create engaging and effective learning environments. Creating an online course with AI is easier than you might think. Define your target audience and their learning objectives. AI tools can help you research topics, generate ideas, and create course outlines. Choose the right AI tools for your needs. Popular options include platforms for interactive video lectures, automated grading, and personalized learning paths. Focus on the student experience using AI to personalize the learning journey. Create adaptive quizzes, recommend resources, and provide personalized feedback. Launch your course and engage with your students. Use AI to monitor progress, identify struggles, and adjust content. Continuously gather feedback and use AI to improve your course over time. Marketing your AI-powered course effectively is crucial for attracting students. Leverage social media with engaging content highlighting your course's unique benefits. Share student testimonials, case studies, and behind-the-scenes AI features. Run targeted ad campaigns on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Use content marketing to reach your audience. Write blog posts, articles, or ebooks about AI in education. Optimize your content for search engines, SEO. Collaborate with influencers in AI or education. Partner with them to promote your course. Build an email list and nurture potential students with valuable content. Use AI-powered email marketing tools to personalize messages. Track your marketing efforts and refine strategies based on data-driven insights. Success stories, AI-powered courses, making waves, Coursera's machine. Learning course by Andrew Ng personalizes learning paths with AI. Duolingo uses AI to adapt lessons to each learner's pace. Workday and Degreed deliver personalized corporate training experiences. Khan Academy provides personalized learning recommendations and support. These platforms identify knowledge gaps and suggest relevant lessons. AI ensures learners progress at their own pace. These success stories show AI's transformative potential in education. Embracing AI can create engaging, effective, and accessible learning experiences. Conclusion: empowering entrepreneurs through AI in education. AI offers entrepreneurs opportunities to create impactful learning experiences. AI tools automate tasks and provide insights into student progress. The step-by-step guide provides a roadmap for AI-powered course creation. Leveraging AI in marketing can reach a wider audience. Success stories like Coursera and Duolingo inspire aspiring entrepreneurs. The future of education is powered by AI. Embracing AI unlocks potential in the evolving world of online education. As we look to the future, AI's role in education is poised to expand even further. Emerging trends like personalized learning paths, AI-driven tutoring bots, and immersive VR classrooms are just the beginning. These innovations promise to make education more accessible and engaging than ever before. Imagine a world where students can learn at their own pace, receive instant feedback, and access a global classroom from the comfort of their homes. This is not a distant dream, but an imminent reality. Entrepreneurs who embrace these trends will be at the forefront of a revolution, creating educational experiences that are not just informative, but transformative. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is just beginning. Stay tuned as we'll continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of AI in education. Please like, subscribe, and share. Together we can shape the future of learning.